One of Bitcoin's most powerful buy signals just flashed. It's called the hash ribbons indicator, and historically it's been incredibly accurate. But before you FOMO in, here's what you really need to understand, because this signal isn't a green light, it's a warning to get prepared. So what are hash ribbons? They track miner capitulation when Bitcoin miners shut down operations due to dropping prices. When the worst is over and miners come back online, it often marks a major market bottom. That's when the hash ribbons buy signal prints. It just flashed. But context matters. Here's the catch. Price action comes first. And right now, the market is still in a clear downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows. No indicator overrides that. We've now tested resistance 5 times and failed. So yes, the hash ribbon signal is bullish, but the trend hasn't flipped yet. If price rejects again from current levels, watch for a drop into the $72,489 zone. That's a daily fair value gap. Strong support with real confluence. If price dumps into that area and we get a sharp reaction up, that's your high probability entry. Don't buy the dip blindly, wait for the reaction. That's the real signal. Hash ribbons doesn't mean price can't go lower, it means the recent low is likely to hold on a closing basis. Dips below 76k possible, but a strong close back above, that's exactly how this signal has played out again and again. In its entire history, hash ribbons has been accurate 17 out of 20 times. So here's what to do. Be ready, get capital on exchanges, watch the zone around 72k, 73k. And when the bounce shows up, don't hesitate. Hash ribbons just did its job. Now it's your move. If you want to learn how to use the indicator, watch the tutorial video in the description below.